Dear students, very good morning to all. In this video, we are going to learn about the current trends in marketing communication. Before knowing about recent trends, once check out the knowledge of marketing and 4 P's of marketing and 5 marketing concepts. First, what is marketing? Marketing or activities of a company associated with buying and selling of a product or service. It includes advertising, selling and delivering products to people. And next, people who work in marketing departments of companies try to get the attention of target audience by using slogans, packaging, design, celebrity endorsements and general media exposure. Coming to the 4 P's of marketing, you have already discussed in the previous classes 4 P's of marketing. See in this figure, I will explain here. This is the target market and 4 P's of marketing are plotted in 4 quadrants. First one is products, goods, services being offered by a company. Price, it is the value given to a commodity. It means the cost consumers pay for a product. And place, it outlines where we have to market the goods. And transportation come under the place. Promotion, it includes advertising, public relations and promotional strategies. Coming to marketing concepts. Marketing concepts are classified into product concept, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept, societal marketing concept and nowadays customer oriented concepts have given a more importance. Let us see the product concept. In product concept, it is one of the oldest concept. It holds consumers preferable products that are inexpensive. It means in product concept, the marketers or manufacturers market the goods which have low cost, and it is also one of the mass production system. Production concept. This concept deals with that the customers favors the products that offer the most quality, preferable and innovative features. And in next, selling concept. It aims to sell what is made rather than what market wants. It means focus on needs of the seller. Marketing concept, it focuses on needs of the customer and organizations focuses on the creating customer value, delivering customer value and communicating with customers. This is marketing concept. And societal concept, this concept considers not only consumer wants and companies requirements but also society's long-term interests. Once again I repeat it, societal marketing concept considers not only the consumer wants and company requirements but also society's long-term interests. And last one is the customer oriented concept. It is an advanced concept for marketing. It focuses on customer needs and demands, and a company might promote a new product when there is no existing needs but creates customer demands. This is all about the marketing concept. Now coming to recent trends in the market. Before going to it, students, I will once again define the marketing definition according to American Marketing Association. Marketing is an organization function and a set of process for creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationships in the ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. Recent trends in marketing. Recent development in manufacturing technologies have made significant changes possible in the way firms respond to market opportunities. There are, however, clear trends in the way in which marketers are developing the point to the need for further development in manufacturing technologies and for manufacturing technologies and for marketing management to develop a greater understanding of what manufacturing can offer. Okay, this is the meaning of the recent trends in marketing. Nowadays Marketing trends focuses on main areas. Those are customer experience is the heart of the marketing for every industry. Second one, effective marketing strategies. Third one, positive digital transformations. Students, let us have the definition of the marketing trends. The overall direction of trading in the broader market on either a short, mid, or long term basis. A trend that moves generally higher is called an uptrend, and one that moves generally lower is called a downtrend. Trends can be short or long. Short term trends cycle within the broad trend, sometimes moving with it, sometimes against it. Here are the list of marketing trends. Recent trends, they are green marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, event marketing, direct marketing, global marketing, social marketing, buzz marketing, and viral marketing. Let us recap now. Today we have understood the meaning of the marketing, 4 P's of marketing, marketing mix, and recent trends in the marketing communication. And we listed out the marketing trends. We briefly discuss in the next session about the recent trends. Thank you.